Hello everyone, Égwú. Thank you for joining me. So today we'll be looking at homonyms. Homonyms. Homonyms are words that are spelt the same and sometimes pronounced the same, but with different meanings. Alright? They have entirely different meanings. So we'll be seeing few of Igbo homonyms in this video. Aqua. Aqua. Egg. Aqua. Aqua. Bed. Aqua. Aqua. Cloth. Aqua. Aqua. Cry. Then aqua. Aqua, which means to sew. Égwú. Égwú. Kite. Égwú. Égwú. Gun. Nkata. Nkata. Basket. Nkata. Nkata. That is dialogue. Okay. Okay. That is a male of any species. Okay. Okay, which means boundary. Okay. Okay. Rat. Okay. Okay. Portion. Okay. Okay, which means huge or extremely big. Égwú. Égwú. That's a bike. Égwú. Égwú. That is multitude of people. Then iri. Iri. Iri, that is 10 of a number. Iri. Iri. Iri, which means to eat. Ịkpa. Ịkpa. Desert. Ịkpa. Ịkpa. To knit or to weave. Ezi. Ezi. That means a pig. Ezi. Ezi. That is outside of the house. Nkụ. Nkụ. Firewood. Nkụ. Nkụ, which means wings. Égwú. Égwú. That is a dance or a music. Égwú. Égwú, which means fear. Oji. Oji. Black. Oji. Oji. That is a kola nut. And with these few, we've come to the end of the lesson. So, like I always say, remember to practice. Practice, practice, practice. That's the only way you will get better. And please remember to subscribe. Subscribe, like, and share. Que emesiano.